Hello students, I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Bache, we were doing in the last module, in the last video, we have started up with our chapter 4 of planning. Okay, that is, we have started up with the first function of management. Okay, and so far we have done the features of planning. And today we are doing about the importance of planning. Okay, that why the organization they are spending huge amount of the money to have the effective plan. Okay, the reason is only one, that is they want to earn maximum to maximum profit. But I have already told you that now the profit can be generated if the customer in the market they are satisfied, if the firm they have maintained their good, we can say goodwill in the market, they ultimately okay, they are started gaining up the profits. So today we are starting up with the importance of planning. First we are having, that is, planning provides the direction. Yes, planning always provides the direction. Why the organization they are doing the planning? They are doing the planning so that they can direct each and every employee, each and every member who is doing the work in the organization, that how they have to complete up their work. ठीक है, so the all the employees they are doing up the work according to the directions given up by the upper authorities. Clear? So planning makes clear that what the employees have to do and how they have to complete up the work, and till how much time they have to complete up the work, so that they can gain the effective amount of the profits. ठीक है, so planning is deciding in advance. ठीक है, तो same is the case before starting up with the work, all the employees they are having the proper kind of directions that how they have to do the work in order to realize the objective of the concern of the profit maximization. ठीक है, and if there is no planning, ठीक है, employees will be working in their own way, जैसे उनको अच्छा लगेगा. अगर प्लानिंग प्रॉपर नहीं है, डायरेक्शंस प्रोवाइड नहीं की गई, ठीक है, तो प्लानिंग में क्या होएगा, हर एक एम्प्लॉय अपनी मनमर्जी से काम करेगा. एज अ रिजल्ट देयर विल बी द ओवरलैपिंग ऑफ द वर्क. ठीक है, अब जैसे अगर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में 10 इंप्लॉई है, इफ वी आर नॉट गिविंग अप द प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन, वो 10 इंप्लॉई क्या करेंगे, अपनी मर्जी से काम करना शुरू कर देंगे. तो अगर 10 में से 6 इंप्लॉई एक ही तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं या एक ही कंसेप्ट पे काम कर रहे हैं, तो उसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. इट विल रिगार्डेड एज द time wastage of the organization. So if in the organization 100 employees are working, then the upper management they give the directions to all those 100 employees. ठीक है, first they will divide the work, they will assign the duty. After that they are giving up the directions also that how they have to accomplish their work, how they have to move up the process so that at the end they can gain the maximum amount of the profits. Clear? So the first point is related to the provides the direction. Second we are having reduces risk of uncertainty. Uncertainty means जो एकदम से हमें नुकसान आ जाता है. ठीक है, uncertainty is regarded as the risk. So if the management they are going up with the proper kind of the planning, ठीक है, then they reduce, we can say they will succeed in reduction of the risk of the uncertainty. ठीक है, so planning helps the manager to face the uncertainties well in advance. ठीक है, for example, all the organization, mostly all types of organization, when they are starting up with the work ना, ठीक है, तो अभी उन्होंने काम स्टार्ट नहीं किया होता, दे आर गोइंग टू द इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, ठीक है, टू टेक द फायर इंश्योरेंस, ठीक है, to take we can say various kind of insurances, ठीक है, related to their particular organization. Why they are taking up the insurance? Because they are having the temptation in their mind कि अगर आगे जाके हमें नुकसान हो जाता है, ठीक है, so we have taken up the insurance. It means that there is anybody who is, we can say, who is ready to take up our claim, who is ready to take up our risk, and they can give us the claim, they can give us the compensation. ठीक है, so if they are doing the proper kind of planning, तो planning includes all those things that reduces the risk of the uncertainty. Previous chapter bache we have done business environment. Over there under the importance we have done number 1, that is to grab the opportunities, first mover advantage, and second is early warning signal. ठीक है, तो अर्ली वार्निंग सिग्नल में वो क्या कर रहे हैं, दे आर रिड्यूसेस द रिस्क एट द प्रेजेंट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, जो उनको लग रहा है कि आने वाले पीरियड में ये रिस्क हो सकता है. ठीक है, सो दे आर मेकिंग अप द इफेक्टिव प्लानिंग एट द प्रेजेंट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम सो दैट दे कैन ओवरकम द रिस्क. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज दिस, दिस इज रिड्यूसेस द रिस्क ऑफ द अनसर्टेनिटी एंड दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लानिंग क्राइटेरिया. ठीक है, सो सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ प्लानिंग इज दैट इट रिड्यूसेस द रिस्क ऑफ द अनसर्टेनिटी. थर्ड वी आर हैविंग reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. Overlapping I have already told you. In the planning, ठीक है, when the organization they have to start up the work, they do the proper kind of planning. After the planning, they are dividing the work. After dividing the work, they are providing the proper kind of directions also that how the employees they have to do the work. Why the organizations they are doing so? The organizations they are doing so that there should not be overlapping of the work. Overlapping means they are avoiding the wasteful activities. Overlapping का क्या मतलब होता है, दो बंदे एक ही तरह का काम करी जा रहे हैं, जबकि रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है, सिर्फ एक बंदा अगर उस काम को करेगा तो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट फुलफिल हो जाएगी. ठीक है, बट दे आर नॉट गिविंग देम द प्रॉपर डायरेक्शन, तो उसी वर्क को दो बंदे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दे आर, वी कैन से, वेस्टिंग अप देयर टाइम. सो proper kind of planning is helpful. Why? Because it reduces the overlapping and the wasteful activities. ठीक है, because in the organization number of departments are working, so each and every department they must know that how and what kind of work they have to do if the proper instructions are there from the top level management team. Fourth we are having, it promotes innovative ideas. Innovative idea means like higher thinking skills, intellectual process. ठीक है, जो हम बोलते हैं कि दिमाग से काम लेना. ठीक है, because making up of the plan, it is not an easy task. It requires the time. It is a time consuming process. Clear? It requires a higher thinking skills. There is a need of the experienced and qualified staff also in order to have the planning. अगर किसी ने प्लानिंग का फ्रेमवर्क बनाना है तो इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस दैट दे आर असाइनिंग द ड्यूटी टू द कॉमन पर्सन. ठीक है, दे आर हायरिंग अप द प्रोफेशनल्स, दे आर हायरिंग अप द एक्सपर्ट्स ऑल्सो, दोज हु आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन मेकिंग अप द प्लानिंग क्राइटेरिया. ठीक है, सो वी कैन से इट प्रमोट्स द इनोवेटिव आइडियाज. इनोवेटिव आइडियाज, हायर थिंकिंग आइडियाज कौन दे सकता है, द पर्सन हु इज हैविंग एक्सपीरियंस, द पर्सन हु इज professional, the person who is expert. ठीक है, next fifth we are having, it facilitates decision making. Planning always helps in making up the decision faster in nature. ठीक है, planning helps the manager to take the decisions as soon as possible. ठीक है, बिकॉज दे आर डिसाइडिंग एवरीथिंग इन एडवांस. अगर आने वाले पीरियड में हमें कोई भी रिस्क आ सकता है, दे आर डिसाइडिंग इन एडवांस. ठीक है, सो एज इन प्लानिंग गोल्स आर सेट इन एडवांस. ठीक है, एंड प्रेडिक्शंस आर आल्सो मेड फॉर द फ्यूचर. ठीक है, दे हेल्प द मैनेजर टू टेक द फास्ट डिसीजन. बिजनेस एनवायरमेंट में वी आर स्टार्टिंग अबाउट द एनवायरमेंट. ठीक है, दैट इज इफेक्टिंग द बिजनेस कंसर्न डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली. Why we people are doing the concept of the business environment? So that it can be easy for the management to take the quick as well as the easy decisions well in advance, well in time. Last we are having, it establishes the standard for controlling. Establishes the standard for controlling means, I have already told you, planning as well as controlling, they are linked with one another. Why they are linked with one another? We know planning is the first function of management and controlling is the last function of management. And what the definition I have told you? Controlling means comparison of the actual output with the planned output. ठीक है, तो अगर उसमें कोई डेविएशन आता है तो उसको कौन दूर करेगा? दैट इज द प्लानिंग स्टेज. प्लानिंग स्टेज मीन्स लाइक in the planning, okay, when we can say the experts, they are making up the plan, they are saying that if the organization is producing 100 units, then at the end the organization will be having 1 lakh of profits. ठीक है, बट जब एट द एंड उन्होंने सारा कुछ एनालाइज किया, दे केम टू नोट कि दे हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड ओनली 80 यूनिट्स. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि अगर 80 यूनिट्स कम किए है तो 1 लाख का प्रॉफिट नहीं बना, 1 लाख से कम बना है. हमारा टारगेट क्या था? 1 लाख. ठीक है, तो कंट्रोलिंग स्टेज इट इज टेलिंग अस अबाउट द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एक्चुअल एज वेल एज द अटेन्ड आउटपुट. ठीक है, तो इस डेविएशन को कौन रिमूव करेगा? दैट इज अगेन द प्लानिंग स्टेज. इट विल रिमूव द डेविएशन. दे विल रिवाइज अप द प्लान इन सच अ वे सो दैट दे कैन एस्टैब्लिशेस द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द प्लानिंग एज वेल एज द कंट्रोलिंग. ठीक है, सो दीज आर ऑल अबाउट द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ द प्लानिंग एंड ऑल दीज पॉइंट्स आर रिवॉल्व्ड विद वन अनदर. ठीक है, they are having the relationship with one another. Starting from the first chapter, we have done nature and significance of management, then we have done principles, then we have done business environment. ठीक है, and if we have the thorough analysis of these points are applicable in all the chapters. ठीक है, because this provides the base to the management as we are doing the first function of management, that is the planning. Clear? So importance is it provides the direction, it reduces risk of uncertainties, it reduces overlapping and wasteful activities, it promotes innovative ideas, it facilitates decision making, and it establishes, that is the planning establishes the standard for controlling, because planning is the first stage and controlling is the last stage, and last stage is linked with the first stage क्योंकि last stage से हमें पता लगेगा that we are earning up the profits or we are confronted up with the deviations. If we are ending up with the profits, then the controlling is telling to the planning stage that your plans are effective, but you should make your plans more effective so that you can earn more amount of profits as this time. Clear? And if they are confronted with the deviation, then the controlling stage is telling to the planning that there is certain kind of कि तुम लोगों की planning effective नहीं है. There is a requirement of certain changes so that you can earn maximum amount of the profits. So all these are regarded as the importance of the planning. Clear? Bache, we have done the importance of planning. I just want to go through with one case study that is related to the importance of planning only, so that you should have the more clarity. Clear? See, after completing the diploma in bakery, Priya started an outlet in food court of a mall. She has done diploma in bakery. After that, she has started an outlet in food court of a mall. ठीक है, मॉल में उसने थोड़ी सी जगह लेके अपना फूड कोर्ट स्टार्ट कर दिया. She decided to sell 5 types of pizzas and low sugar muffins with proper planning. She was ready to face the uncertainties. We have read one point related to the uncertainties. ठीक है, तो this line is telling us that which point, identify the point of importance. कौन सा point importance का highlight हो रहा है? That is, it reduces the risk of uncertainty because in the case study they are talking about the uncertainty. ठीक है, see, she was ready to face the uncertainties and also there was no duplication of work. No duplication of work means कि planning इतनी proper होनी चाहिए that there should not be the duplication of work. Means एक बंदा एक तरह का काम करेगा, ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक काम को 4-5 बंदे वही repeat scale पे कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो and also there was no duplication of work. Which point of importance it is highlighted over here? That is, it reduces overlapping and wasteful activities. क्योंकि इसमें भी मैंने क्या समझाया कि एक काम अगर proper directions नहीं provide होंगी तो एक काम को सारे जाने, अगर suppose अगर requirement एक जाने से है, 6 बंदे उस काम को कर रहे हैं तो 5 बंदों का काम waste है. ठीक है, so it reduces the overlapping and wasteful activities. Same is the case study also when they have said and also there was no duplication of work. In short period only, her business got a name in the market. It means that she has developed the proper kind of goodwill in the market. Identify the points of importance of planning highlighted in the above para. ठीक है, so case study is given to you. First you see the important line, ठीक है, that what they are asking you. They are asking you about the points of importance. अब बच्चे, suppose case study has been given. In spite of points in your question paper, they have written identify the point of importance. Point means they are talking about only one point. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, read the case study very, very properly, very, very attentively. अगर point लिखा है, it means that you are eligible to give 1 point. And if they are mentioning the points of importance, it means they are asking for more than 1 point. Then you have to analyze the case study in such a way, तुम लोगों को जितने points लगते हैं, you people have to write that. ठीक है, अब कई इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे क्या करते हैं, अगर उन्होंने लिखा है पॉइंट्स ऑफ इंपॉर्टेंस, बच्चे को पता है कि इंपॉर्टेंस के सारे पॉइंट्स मेरे को पता है, ठीक है, बट मेरे को ये नहीं पता कि केस स्टडी में क्या क्या पूछे, ठीक है, तो वो इंटेलिजेंसी क्या करता है, वो सारे पॉइंट्स लेकर आता है. हमें केस स्टडी के अकॉर्डिंगली क्या चाहिए, या तो चाहिए रिड्यूसेस रिस्क ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटीज एंड चाहिए रिड्यूसेस ओवरलैपिंग एंड वेस्टफुल एक्टिविटीज. ये 2 पॉइंट चाहिए अकॉर्डिंग टू केस स्टडी. बच्चे ने क्या किया, फर्स्ट पे लिखा प्रोवाइड्स डायरेक्शन, सेकंड पे लिख दिया फैसिलिटेट डिसीजन मेकिंग, फिर लिख दिया प्रमोट्स इनोवेटिव आइडियाज, फिर लिख दिया रिड्यूसेस रिस्क ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटीज, फिर लिख दिया रिड्यूसेस ओवरलैपिंग एंड वेस्टफुल एक्टिविटीज. ठीक है, सॉरी टू से बच्चे, यू आर नॉट एलिजिबल टू गेट एनी मार्क. ठीक है, क्योंकि उन्होंने जौन से बोर्ड में एग्जाम में चेक करने के लिए टीचर्स आते हैं, उन्होंने सिर्फ फर्स्ट 2 पॉइंट्स ही इवेलुएट करने हैं. तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट पे आपने लिख दिया प्रोवाइड्स डायरेक्शन, सेकंड पे लिख दिया आपने फैसिलिटेट डिसीजन मेकिंग, वो दोनों क्या हो जाएंगे, रॉन्ग. ठीक है, एंड दे आर नॉट, वो ना तो थर्ड पॉइंट देखेंगे ना वो फोर्थ पॉइंट देखेंगे. ठीक है, इफ यू हैव डन फर्स्ट पॉइंट पे लिख दिया आपने प्रोवाइड्स डायरेक्शन, सेकंड पे लिख दिया रिड्यूसेस रिस्क ऑफ अनसर्टेनिटी, तो उन्होंने क्या करना है, फर्स्ट पॉइंट रॉन्ग एंड सेकंड पॉइंट दे विल गिव यू 1 मार्क. दे विल नॉट सी द थर्ड पॉइंट कि आपने ये वाला पॉइंट लिखा है कि नहीं लिखा. ठीक है, सो देयर इज अ वे दैट हाउ यू पीपल हैव टू अटेम्प्ट द क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ बिजनेस स्टडीज. ठीक है, go through these case studies very attentively. I am trying my level best that after finishing one topic, I am giving you one case study also, that how you people have to attempt the case study if the question related to case study is there in your exam. Thank you.